Hello, I'm Rick Signorella. I'm the host for the July edition of the Hoffman Estates Citizen. And this month we'll see the Hoffman Estates Chamber of Commerce's annual fishing derby, the ribbon cutting for internal and lifestyle medicine, and a ribbon cutting for LeGenda Indonesian Market, first annual senior resource fair, the Special Olympics torch run, and this month's In Hoffman featuring police department's drone success stories. It was time again for the Chamber of Commerce's annual fishing derby at Southridge Lake. And this year, someone caught their first fish.
Welcome to the Community Fishing Derby!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is now 9 a.m. Are you ready? One more time, are you ready? Let's make some noise! And cast away.
Good morning and welcome to our 35th annual Community Fishing Derby right here at Southridge Lake in Hoffman Estates. I am Tricia O'Brien, President and CEO of the Hoffman Estates Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and with me today I have our past board chair, Maria Beecroft with Canopco Realty and Development, again right here in Hoffman Estates. We are very excited this morning as we have stocked the lake with tagged fish for cash prizes sponsored by local businesses for our lucky anglers. The Derby also features the longest fish contest announced at the end of the Derby, as well as hourly longest fish contests. The Hoffman Estates Chamber of Commerce is so very appreciative of our following businesses that have sponsored this event for the community. I'd like to start with the Hoffman Estates Community Bank, a Wintrust Community Bank, the Mid-America Carpenters Regional Council, of course, the Hoffman Estates Park District, Divine Signs and Graphics, the Daily Herald Media Group, Minuteman Press of Hoffman Estates, and Heartland Bank and Trust Company. A very, very special thank you to our Mid-America Carpenters Regional Council.
Good morning, Hoffman Estates. It's another beautiful year for the Fishing Derby for the Hoffman Estates Chamber of Commerce Fishing Derby. My name's Matt Oakland. I'm a business rep for the Mid-America Carpenters Regional Council, Local 58. And every year we have been sponsoring this event, and we have done it for over 35 years now. And why do we do it? It's about the kids. It's about community support. It's about the good times that we're having out here. And if you're not here today, remember, come out next year because you're missing out on a wonderful time. This year we have some record prizes out here. We're gonna have a $300 fish in memory of Shannon Swanson, several $100 fishes. Every hour there's prizes, all monetary, so we're talking $50, $100, depending on what time you catch, and it's worth coming out. Remember, this weekend's a free fishing weekend, which means that there's no licenses required. So like I said, if you're seeing this from home, either get your butt down here or come out next year. And remember, it's $5 to get in. It's all about community support. It's all about taking care of the youth and having something fun to do on beautiful Father's Day weekend.
A lot of help from the Park District and the Carpenters Union and various other organizations and volunteers. It's a great day to fish. The fish should be biting. They've had a lot of business with fish coming in.
Oh, I got a fish! I got a fish!
Good. Keep it up.
Oh my God, Ava, I got a fish!
Awesome. Bring it in. Bring it up.
Hold it up. Get a picture. This is great.
This is awesome.
Relax. Relax. Put it back in the water.
That is still hooked on.
I only got one hand.
I don't know what to do!
Ava. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Nature worked its out. Oh, that was awesome, dude. We got it on camera. Well, that just made my weekend. Happy Father's Day. Ricky, what do you think? What do you think? Was that your first fish? Be careful, don't fall in the water. What do you think? Was that awesome? What do you think?
Shake it off! Alright, now move back.
Well, be easy.
This is a great event the community does every year, and we all enjoy it immensely. I'm joined here by Trustee Karen Arnett and Trustee Anna Newell, Village Clerk Emeritus Bev Romanoff, and Hoffman Estates Park District Board Member Keith Evans. So this is a great event, happens every June. So check your calendars for next year and be ready to come on out. It's always on the Father's Day weekend, so you can catch some fish, give Dad some fish tomorrow, and have a great time. They got a lot of food and things to drink, and there's exhibitors here, so check it out.
The Hoffman Estates Chamber of Commerce hopes everyone enjoyed the Derby, and we look forward to seeing you at next year returning here, where the only time that you don't need a fishing license is here on Father's Day weekend. Please visit our website at www.hechamber.com for upcoming community events. Thank you all very much.
More new businesses are opening in Hoffman Estates, a new concierge-style internal and lifetime medicine office, and LeGenda Chicago, an Indonesian marketplace in Bellworks, Chicagoland.
Okay, we're pleased to be at the Doctor's Building Run, Suite 310. Dr. Sharma, Internal Medicine and Lifestyle Medicine. Come to the office and speak with him. We're very pleased that you settled here in Hoffman Estates. 3. All right. Nice going. I want to present to you a key to the Village of Hoffman Estates. Many years of prosperity and success here, serving the people of our community and neighboring communities. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Sunny Sharma, and I am a lifestyle medicine and internal medicine physician starting my concierge medicine practice here in Hoffman Estates. Some of the things that we're going to treat here are high blood pressure, diabetes, cancers, heart disease. We're going to focus on weight loss and overall just wellness. This is a concierge medicine practice. Each appointment, instead of being 10 to 15 minutes long, is 30 minutes to 2 hours, with a large emphasis on prevention. If someone wants to get a little bit more information about my practice, go to mdvip.com.
We're pleased to be here at LeGenda, Suite D207, in the beautiful Bellworks building. It's a new business, an Indonesian business. They have clothing here, they have all sorts of housewares and cultural items. We're very happy that you're in Hoffman Estates. We welcome you. All right. All right. I also want to present to you the key to the Village of Hoffman Estates and many years of prosperity and success here. Thank you. I know you will be successful. So
it means like a legend or legendary. We carry various of Indonesian handcrafted, it's like a home decors, clothing, and then handbags, and then as well as the dry goods. We are the first and the only brick mortar for carrying Indonesian product in Chicagoland. So you can order online in our website, legendachicago.com.
Health and Human Services held its first senior resource fair as part of their new dementia-friendly community initiative.
Hello, I'm Gina McCauley, and I'm the community health nurse for the Village of Hoffman Estates. We're here today at our senior resource event, and it's a great one-stop shop.
This is one of the dementia-friendly initiatives that we are doing for our community.
Have some screenings done for free. We have free cholesterol screening, bone density, free hemoglobin, blood pressures. Are you ready to enhance your golden years? Our older adult resource fair is here to empower, educate, and entertain. Whether you're looking for health resources, social activities, or community services, we've got you covered. At this adult senior resource fair, you will find health screenings, expert consultations, community booths, interactive hobbies, refreshments, and even raffle prizes. In the future, we'll be listing these on our website at www.hoffmanestates.org.
The Hoffman Estates Police Department participated in the annual torch run to benefit Special Olympics Illinois.
Good morning this Father's Day. My name is Sergeant Dan Downey of the Hoffman Estates Police Department. We're out here on this Father's Day for the Law Enforcement Torch Run, one of our 3 events we do for the Special Olympics of Illinois. It's a great event. If you guys have the opportunity to donate to this charity, we'd greatly appreciate it. You can find the website Special Olympics Illinois, SOILL.org. You can find out all the different things that we do with for the charity, and it's a great cause, so any way you can help, we would appreciate it.
And finally, this month's In Hoffman features the successes of the police department's new drone program.
In Hoffman Estates, public safety is always evolving. And now we're taking it to the skies with our drone program. I'm Deputy Police Chief Jim Thomas, and this is In Hoffman. Launched in June 2024, the department's new drone program is already proving to be a valuable asset in a wide range of situations, from public events to emergency calls and even assisting other village departments. What makes this program especially unique is how it's built into our regular patrol operations. We always have a trained officer on duty who can launch the drone directly from a specially outfitted patrol vehicle. This means the drone is available to our officers 24/7 when needed most. The drone first took flight at the Village's 4th of July Festival last year to make our unified operations at the Now Arena more efficient. It has since been used to support search and rescue efforts in local forest preserves, help monitor traffic crashes, and was even used to assist Village's Development Services Department with aerial photos for planning and GIS mapping. High-tech features like thermal imaging, two-way audio, and weather-resistant design make the drone a valuable tool during public safety efforts. It provides real-time information to our officers during active situations, with supervisors on the ground able to view the live feed on mobile monitors to make quicker, more informed decisions. Right now, the program includes 1 drone and 9 certified pilots. All Hoffman Estates officers who passed FAA Part 107 exams and take part in ongoing training every quarter. They've also teamed up with the fire department to cross-train for joint responses, including fire scenes and missing person cases. Usage is carefully documented through a reporting system that tracks deployments and outcomes. As the program continues to grow, the department sees it as a powerful new tool, giving officers a new perspective from above without adding more boots on the ground. With safety as a top priority, the drone program is one more way Hoffman Estates Police are using innovation to better serve the community. Thanks for watching. This is In Hoffman.
Well, that's it for this edition of the Hoffman Estates Citizen. From all of us here at HETV, thanks for watching.